This is what's holding you back from building the business of your dreams, creating content every day, which fuels your business, and building that amazing audience that you absolutely deserve. And that's barrier to entry. Let's talk about it. So right now, today, my cleaning people are about to come and they're supposed to be here at like 10 o'clock. It is 8:55. So I really should not be making a video now, right? These videos take a long time to produce. They take a long time to make. The reality is I made a commitment. I made a commitment that every single day that I would show up, that I would make a video, and that I would put something out into the world to help my audience. Now, am I saying that you should make content every single day on YouTube? Absolutely not. That is not what I'm saying. But what I am saying is that you need to lower the barrier to entry so that you too can see success through content. Sometimes that might mean making a video on TikTok. Sometimes that might mean showing up on Instagram. Sometimes that might mean making a LinkedIn post. Sometimes that might mean just scripting something, just taking the 5 minutes that you have in between to record yourself a voice memo, to make movement forward towards your goal. That is extremely important when it comes to creating content on YouTube or on any other platform that you want to focus on. Another way to lower the barrier to entry is to just sit down where you are and make a video. You know, I think one of the things that had stopped me for so long is the fact that, again, I didn't have the perfect YouTube backdrop. So I see all these creators that have built-in studios set up with these gorgeous bookcases showing their, all their followers and their plaque. And I just didn't have that. And it just really was something that I didn't feel like I was good enough to show up on here because I didn't have that. And the reality is that's not the audience that I'm targeting. I'm not targeting an audience of people that desire the perfect backdrop, that want to watch a YouTuber with the perfect backdrop. I'm done comparing myself. I'm targeting an audience of moms who want to make content, who have something to say, who are over 40, who have something that they want to share with the world, but they're too afraid to show up and they're too afraid to step into their authenticity and their business and to get those business results that they desire through this beautiful channel called YouTube. So look, I have blankets in the background. The cleaners are about to come. As soon as I stop making this video, I'm going to get up and do that rapid tidy up before my cleaners come. But I'm on here showing up for my audience, making sure that I am giving that motivation and that desire and embodying the person that I am helping my audience become. And that is the person that shows up, that makes content, that says the thing, that actually does the thing, that and does the advice that I'm giving online, and the whole makeup thing, which I've harped about this over and over again in my business. Another reason why I wouldn't show up and make content is because I felt like I had to have the perfect makeup, the perfect look. I had to look beautiful. And the reality is, again, if my audience decides that they don't want to watch me because I don't look a certain way, that isn't the audience that I want. And I think that that's part of the issue that I see sometimes on Instagram and TikTok. It is that it pushes the standard of beauty and the standard of showing up that simply it's not attainable for most people in the world. I mean, most people, there's a reason it's called pretty privilege. Most people don't have this perfect ideal look. Most people don't have the time to show up and put on their makeup. And that makes it so the people that do well on social media are the ones that have the natural beauty or have the time to put in to achieve a certain look to get their content shown. And I'm over that. I'm over that game. That is not a game that I want to play. And that's not the audience that I want. Like, I want an audience that is willing to show up, that's willing to look past looks or even to a certain extent, like the perfect articulation of a video, because even taking that time to script out the perfect point, to me, that is an extra layer and an extra barrier that makes it so I'm not coming in here and rambling a little, but delivering the real truth, the hard truth. I need to pause for a thumbnail because I don't feel like my thumbnails are that amazing. So I'm gonna work on that. I'll have to screenshot that later. All right, well, that's all for today. I don't even know what else to talk about, but I did want to show up. I didn't want to abandon my channel, and I want to embody the person that I want to become, that I'm helping you become. And that is somebody that makes content every single day, shows up in their business, encourages others, and makes marketing fun again, makes marketing authentic again, makes marketing something that is attainable for every single one of us, makes marketing easy. Because young people and up and coming people and people that are busy, we're sick of marketing. We're sick of being just essentially shoved a course course or a personality or a something down our throats. Like, we don't want that anymore. We want to do business with real people, with real solutions to real problems that are not essentially embodying a brand and an image that is totally false. Looking at you, gurus of the world.